Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind the Country Chic Cottage. Today I'm back with another video using the Cricut Joy Xtra, and we are going to make some more stickers. Now this video is sponsored by Cricut, however all projects and opinions are my own. So what I'm going to be using today is also a new product from Cricut. It is the Printable waterproof sticker set. And I'm going to use the Cricut Joy Xtra in this video, show you how the Xtra works with making these waterproof stickers. So outdoor stickers for something like a cooler, car decals, what have you, or you could use them on tumblers. They are waterproof as well as UV resistant. Now this paper itself, so the new sticker set here that I have, can be used on any Cricut machine. So if you want to use the Printable waterproof sticker set on one of your other Cricut machines, you can do that as well. Follow this video on how to use the set because it is a set. So it comes with printable sticker paper, printable vinyl, and a laminate as well. So I'm going to show you how to properly use that to get the best results. And I'm going to do several stickers, going to put them on some tumblers here, as well as a cute cooler. So if you are looking for a way to make outdoor stickers that are UV resistant as well as waterproof, this video is for you. So first let's take a look at the supplies we're going to use. So I'm going to use the new Cricut Printable waterproof sticker set. So this is both waterproof and UV resistant, so it's great for outdoor stickers. Then we're going to use the new Cricut Joy Xtra. If you missed my video on that last week, be sure to head to the description below this video and see all about this new little Cricut machine. And then with this, we are going to need the Cricut Joy Xtra mat, so that does have special mat sizes. And then I also like a scraper, and if you have trouble with the scraper scratching your laminate, I keep a piece of felt on hand to wrap around the scraper. You may or may not need this, but you might want to have it on hand just in case. Let's take a look inside the waterproof sticker set and see what's included. I will note that I'm using the Printable waterproof sticker set in white. They also make it in transparent as well as white holographic and transparent holographic. The steps would be the same for all of the kits. Inside the sticker set you'll get both printable vinyl, and it has a backing paper on it with a grid. And then you will also get laminate. And there is a sticker on the laminate that says vinyl laminate right on it, so you don't get it confused. We're going to start with the printable vinyl. We're going to go ahead and design our stickers in Design Space and print on this surface. So let's head to Design Space and see how to do that. Let's look at a few ways to make stickers using Cricut Design Space. The first would be to go to Images, and you could search for anything. I'm going to search for sticker. When you search for an image, an easy way to find just the files that'll work great for stickers is to sort by operation type and click Print then Cut. When you see an image with this black outline around it, that means it's already set up with an offset, already set up to be a sticker. You can find an image you like and click Add to Canvas. Then once you get it in here, you can resize it to be the sticker size you like. One other tip is when you're in Images and you find a sticker you like is to click the designer name. Often the same designer will have other designs I like as well. You can search here for images just from that designer. Then just click Add to Canvas for any that you want to add. Now let's say I search images for something like summer sun, and I am looking for something I want to turn into a sticker. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a sticker already. So let's say I like this Hello Summer design. I could click it and click Add to Canvas. Because this is a cut design, I could change the colors of some of these if I would like to. So I can pick some of these sun rays and make them a different color. So let's say I'm liking these colors a little better. I can pick everything at this point and add the offset if I would like. So I'm going to add an offset about 0.125. Click Apply. I'm going to make that offset white. And one tip I have for you is to check the offset and make sure there are not any internal cuts. If there are, you could use the contour feature to remove those. Now I'm going to pick everything and click Flatten. Now I have a Print then Cut sticker that I've made from any image in Design Space. So any cut file can now become a sticker file. You can do this same process with text. So if I was to add text, add my name. So I changed the font to this analog script. Then I can make it any color I would like. Go ahead and weld it. And then I can add the offset to make a sticker. I like an offset around all of my stickers. If you don't, you can skip this portion. I'm gonna go ahead and make that offset a color this time. So let's make it a colorful offset, something like that. And then pick the offset as well as the text and flatten. And now I have another sticker. So I'm gonna keep filling up my page with stickers so we can cut lots of these. So here are all of my stickers on my Cricut canvas. I did want to point out one thing before we continue. This sticker, for example, is cut in a circle shape. So it doesn't necessarily have the offset. The offset would go around each of these sunbeams, whereas this is just a circle. So you can also flatten to a shape instead of flattening to an offset. So in order to do that, you would add, say, a circle, and then add a circular image. So I'm going to add this one and demonstrate. I am not going to actually cut this one. So any image, let's say it was a circle, square, whatever, or if you just had an image and you wanted it to be a circular cut. So you would just make the image, let me zoom in a little bit. You would make the image one size, your circle another size, and pick them both, align, center. You would want to turn whatever shape you have in the background to white, and then you would pick them both and flatten. So you can also flatten to a shape instead of flattening to an offset. I am going to delete this one back off. Now I'm ready to cut my stickers. So I'm going to click Make It, and you'll see them on a sheet of paper. Now this is putting my stickers on 2 different sheets of paper, but I have some room over here on the side. I'm going to go to this second sheet, click the 3 dots, click Move Object, move it to my first page that has all of my stickers on it, and then we can take this one, move it to this corner, move this one back up, and for this one I'm going to use this rotate. I'm going to rotate it, and then just move it over here to the side. So now I can get all of my stickers on one sheet. We're going to go ahead and click Continue. And first we want to send this to the printer. So I'm going to click Send to Printer. First I'll pick the printer I want to use. Generally for stickers I add bleed. That's going to be especially important for this one that has the colorful outline, which was my name. If all of your stickers have a white outline, that is not going to matter at all. And I always say use System Dialog. Then click Print. You're going to pick the printer you want to use again and click Preferences. The next few screens are going to depend on the printer you're using. However, you should be able to find these no matter which printer you have. First of all, portrait orientation is what we're going to use. Then you want to find something where you can choose a media type. For this printer, I have these media types. I'm going to go ahead and pick photo paper. And for this printer, I need to click Advanced to find more options. What I'm looking for is something that says quality. So for quality, I want to pick high quality or best quality. You also want to make sure your scaling is set to none because you want it to be the same size as in Cricut Design Space. If your printer has a matte paper type, when it comes to media, a lot of times that works better on printable vinyl. I'm going to try the photo paper setting. Plain paper might also work as well, but definitely always find best quality. Then we're going to click OK and print. Here's the sticker sheet printed on that printable Cricut vinyl that comes in the set. And now we need to add our vinyl laminate. If you struggle with this, one tip is to go ahead and put this on the mat. You want to put it on the mat in the same orientation as shown in Design Space. This helps to hold the sheet still while you add the laminate. So on this surface, there's a sticker. It says vinyl laminate on it, and it has an arrow. That will point to a slit. Now this sticker is on the backing paper. So we're going to start at the slit and just remove this top portion of the backing paper. Then this portion is sticky, and we want to line that up exactly with our sticker sheet. We only have to worry about lining up this very top strip. So we're going to align that with the vinyl. You want to get it as straight as possible, and then we're going to press that down. Then I have my scraper. I went ahead and wrapped my felt around it, and I like the felt long enough where I can grip the felt here on the end. We're going to flip this sheet over. So my scraper is under here, flipped the sheet over. Then we're gonna peel this backing paper back as we press with the scraper from this side. So peel back and scrape across, making sure you go all the way from left to right. And once you get it started, you don't even really have to pull on the backing paper. You can just move your scraper from left to right, and it's just going to move down your sheet. It may stick on the sticky portion, just kind of lift it up. And you're just going to continue all the way down this sheet, applying the laminate. And your goal is to get it on here without any bubbles at all. Then once it's on that sheet, we want to burnish it down well. And this is where that felt comes in handy, because you don't want to get any scratches on the laminate over the top of your stickers. You may need to run through a calibration for your print and cut if you're using a new machine, a new printer, a new device, or if you're having trouble with your stickers and the location of your cuts. In Design Space, I went ahead and picked the Printable Waterproof Sticker Set White setting because that's what I'm using here. And then the Cricut Joy Xtra has sensors, so as soon as I load the mat, it will feed in. Then with the Joy Xtra, there are no buttons on the machine itself, so I will press all the buttons in Design Space. I'm gonna go ahead and press Go to cut. The machine will first look for the registration boxes in each of the corners. I will also note that the print and cut sensor for Cricut Joy Xtra is kind of inside the machine. So you may be used to seeing the light on the outside, but it is inside with Cricut Joy Xtra. Once it reads the marks, it will start the cut. Now the machine will cut around each of the stickers. Now I'll press Unload in Design Space, and then we can take a look at the cuts. The cuts look really great on these stickers, so I wanted a kiss cut for mine, which means that the backing stayed in place. If you wanted a through cut, where you wanted individual stickers each with a backing, then you would choose something like the light cardstock setting, or something like that to go all the way through the paper. For mine, I'm just going to peel each of my stickers, and I love how the outline looks really, really good on these. And then add them to things that need a waterproof sticker, like this tumbler. So then you just press them into place, and you have an outdoor ready sticker for things that you use outdoors, or for things where you want waterproof application like this tumbler. So then I peeled off the rest of my stickers on my sticker sheet. All of the cuts looked amazing. I added them to a couple of tumblers, as well as this cute cooler. So whatever outdoor applications that you have, I would use this cooler outdoors, maybe on the boat or whatever, and these stickers would hold up in the sunlight as well as the water. I definitely always use a waterproof sticker on my tumblers, and I love the ones with the laminate over the top for applications like these, because they also do not scratch as easily. So that makes them perfect for applications like these. Now the package itself literally says on the back that it's for water bottles, car bumpers, and outdoor labeling. So they definitely have tested it, and it is good for all those applications. So if you are looking for a way to make stickers for your car bumper, this printable waterproof sticker set might just be for you. And be sure to pick up the Cricut Joy Xtra as well. to make making stickers easy. I can't believe how small this machine is and how much it does. If you have not seen my other video on the Cricut Joy Xtra, I highly encourage you to watch it. I cut several different materials. If you have questions about the Xtra itself, what blades does it take? What mats does it take? That other video will walk you through that. So head there. I'll link to it in the description below this one. Head there for questions about the Xtra itself. And I keep hitting that tumbler, but that's okay. So if you have questions about the Xtra itself, head there. If you have questions about the stickers we made today or making stickers in general with the Cricut Joy Xtra, drop down in the comment section and ask away. If you liked this video, if it helped you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos just like this one every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.